All right, guys, good day and welcome. So I have this question from jamb 1984, question 30, where we are asked if A equal 2x divided by 1 minus x and B equal 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, then A squared minus B squared in the simplest form is dash 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 dash. So quickly we dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Now, in proceeding, we need to take note of the following facts: that a square minus b square is a difference of two squares term. That is, a square minus b square is equal to, bracket open, a plus b, bracket close, bracket open, a minus b, bracket close. Now, having this at the back of our mind, we substitute our value of a and b into this, and therefore we have our expression becomes, bracket open, 2x divided by 1 minus x plus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, bracket close. And we have again bracket open, 2x divided by 1 minus x minus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x, or brackets up close. Now we proceed to simplify the terms in each bracket by making 1 minus x our LCM in each bracket. So our first bracket we have equal to, bracket open, we make 1 minus x our LCM. So 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x gives us 1. 1 times 2x, we have 2x, plus 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x gives us 1. Now 1 times 1 plus x gives us 1 plus x. So our bracket open, 1 plus x, bracket close. This is for our first bracket. Now we proceed to our second bracket. We also make 1 minus x our LCM. All right, 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x, we have 1. 1 times 2x, we have 2x. Bring our minus sign. 1 minus x divided by 1 minus x, we have 1. 1 times 1 plus x, we have bracket open, 1 plus x, bracket close, all brackets close. Next, we proceed to opening our internal brackets. So I have bracket open, write down LCM 1 minus x, we have 2x. Now plus times 1, we have plus 1, plus times plus s, we have plus x, bracket close. We open our other bracket. All right, write down our LCM 1 minus x, we have 2x. Then minus times 1, we have minus 1. Minus times plus x, we have minus x, bracket close. Now we proceed to collecting like terms, our LCM. So I have a bracket open, write down our LCM 1 minus x. Then we have 2x plus x. This gives us 3x. 3x. Then we have left with plus 1. Brackets close. We open our other bracket. We draw a line, write our LCM 1 minus x. We have 2x minus x. We're left with x minus 1. Bracket close. Now what we have here can be expressed as bracket open, 3x plus 1, bracket close, bracket open, x minus 1, bracket close, divided by bracket open, 1 minus x, bracket close, bracket open, 1 minus x, bracket close. Now we express our expression like this because the bracket, our big bracket is the same thing as a multiplication, so they multiply that self out and this is what we're left with. Now we continue with our solving. Next we factor out minus from our numerator to enable us cancel out 1 minus x at our denominator. So if we factor out minus from our numerator, we're going to have a minus bracket open 3x plus 1 bracket close, bracket open. We see x going backward and 1 coming forward, and we have 1 minus x bracket close divided by bracket open 1 minus x bracket close bracket open 1 minus x bracket close. Now 1 minus x at our numerator cancels out 1 minus s at our denominator. We're left with minus bracket open 3x plus 1 bracket close divided by bracket open 1 minus x bracket close. Lastly, we factor out minus at our denominator to enable us cancel out the minus at our numerator. Factor out minus, so this leaves us with minus bracket open 3x plus 1 bracket close divided by factor out minus, we'll have a minus bracket open x minus 1 bracket close minus ends up cancelling out minus. We're left with equal to bracket open 3x plus 1 bracket close divided by bracket open x minus 1 bracket close as our final answer. Thank you.